guys, put on your dancing shoes and come celebrate the Spirit of Women's Day with us on the song Gulabi from Gulab Gang. Here's the part 1. Hi guys, let's get started with part 1. So, your legs, very simple, you're just stepping it out. Your left leg is stationary, your right leg is stepped out. Now, imagine you're banging a door, but you're banging it one hand at a time. So, your right hand goes first, your left hand follows from there. On the count of 3, you just twist and look at the audience. Your hands are going into what hands? Okay, very simple. Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8, bang, bang and look. Very nice. From there, you're going to go slightly like simple waves with your hands. Very nicely, very soft. Okay, so you're going to go bang, bang and look, wave and wave. Very nice. From there, moving on, your hands are going to go down and hit, down and hit. First time you go to your left, second time you do the same movement to your right. Your legs at the same time are doing very simple, bend and straight, bend and straight. Only difference is your body follows the hand in that particular direction. Can we see the whole step? You finish here. 5, 6, 7, 8, down and hit, down and hit. Very nice guys. Can we try it from here? Let's go. 5 and 6 and 5, 6, 7, 8, hit. Look, wave and down and hit, down and hit. Superb. From there, very simple. Your right hand comes here, pointing one finger up. You go above your shoulder, below your shoulder, above your shoulder, below your shoulder. Very nice. Your body is doing a similar movement going chest out and hip out, chest out and hip out. Very nice. You're just doing this once. So you're going to go up and down. From there, you're going to take one turn in place. So from here, you're going to lead with your hand and take a turn and stop. Very nice. From there, dragging to your right side, you step your right leg, your left leg follows and you come together. When you do that, your hands are going to go very simple. Left hand stays here at the shoulder level. Right hand is by your side. Okay, so you finish the turn, you come here, you go drag and together. From there, very simple, your legs go up on your ball of the foot in a releve position. Your hands are going to make a diagonal line up. So your right hand goes up, your left hand is bent, continuing the diagonal. Okay, so you go right, left and come back down. Okay, so the whole thing from the turn, you finish here. The whole thing looks like drag in, right, left, down. Okay, very nice guys. Can we try it from here on counts once? Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8, bang, bang, look, wave, down, hit, down, hit, up and down, turn around, drag and up, down. Very nice guys. Can we try this much to music? Ready? Let's go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. And down, hit, down, hit, up, down, turn, drag, up, down. Very nice. That was really nice guys. From there, moving on, you're going to step 4 times going side, diagonal, forward. Very nice. Your hands at that time are doing very simple scoop, scoop. Only the right hand. Your left hand is going to make a right angle here. Okay, so the whole thing in motion will look like scoop. Very nice. For the people who can try a little more challenging step, you can do very simple. You can add 4 hip rolls. So, just have a look at what it will look like. Let's go guys. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Very nice. From there, think as if you are combing your hair. So, you're going to go comb your hair and back. Okay, now while you comb your hair, just take a small scoop in the front and come back. Very nice. Now, when you come back, get your hands here. Your right hand is on your hip, your left hand is on your head and you're going to do something called as the thumka in Bollywood. So, you're going to go thumka up. Okay, superb. Can we try the whole thing now? Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8 and scoop, comb your hair, thumka. So, after you finish the thumka, very simple, let's learn only the legs first. Your legs are doing right leg steps out and your left leg comes in, making a P with your feet. Okay, let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8 and right and up. Very nice. Your hands at that time are doing very simple. Your right hand goes out shoulder level with all your 5 fingers stretched in, which we call the jazz hand. Your left hand grabs it in and you bring it in near your stomach. Okay, let's try the whole thing. 5, 6, 7, 8, right, left and in. Very nice. From there, your hands relax by your side, your legs. You step your left leg back, push your pelvic out, leading with your shoulder, come back in. Okay, so you finish here, you go step and up. Very nice, guys. From there, remember the drag that we had done on the right? The same drag we are gonna do on our left now. Only thing is, your hands are slightly different. Your hands are going, point your finger up, you're gonna brush through your forehead, getting it out and going curl and curl. Very nice. So in motion with the feet, it will look like drag in, curl and curl. Very nice. Now when you are doing the curl, I want you to do the hip rolls again. So going curl and curl. Very nice. So let's do the drag and curl again. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8 and drag, curl, curl. Superb. Now can we try it to music from the scoop? Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8, scoop, 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 and comb your hair, scoop, car, hand, left, hip, drag, curl, curl. That was superb. You're doing really great, guys. So after you finish the curl, moving on from there, your legs, very simple. Your right leg is going out and out. It's just the knee. So you're slightly bending your right knee, going out and up and step. Okay, so out, up, step. Very nice. So your hand at that time is following the knee. So again, point a finger up. You're going to go hand and up, step. Very nice. Now, when you step the leg, the step goes into a swing movement of your hip. So your hands are by your side flexed. Your hips are going to go forward and back. Think like you're moving your hip forward and then pushing something. So when you push it, your hands are flexed and your hip is going back. Now can we try the whole thing from here? Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8 and back and up and swing, swing. Superb. Now you repeat the same thing on the other side. Doing left and up and swing, swing. Very nice. Now can we try both the sides? Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8, up and swing. And left and up and swing, swing. Very nice, guys. You finish the swing from there. Very simple. You're going to take a circle around your dancing space and your hands, your left hand is up. It's just going to go circle, 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 circle. 4 times. So can we see the whole thing together? Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8 and circle, circle, circle together. Very nice. So that's just one tiny circle around there. After that, you step your right leg in the front. You're going to do a slight lean at the back and coming back forward. It's just for 2 counts. Okay, so you're going to go back, back, up, up. Your hands at that time are going side, 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 side. It's very natural, very simple. Just let it sway. Okay, nothing precise or specific. Can we see the body and the hands together? Let's go. 5, 6, 7. Going back, back, forward, forward. Superb. Can we try it from here to counts once? 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and back, back, forward, forward. Very nice, guys. So after you finish this, let's see it from here to music. 5, 6 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and up, swing, up and up, swing, turn and back, back, up, up. You guys were great. Now this was the end of part 1. So let's do a quick recap from the beginning to music. Let's go. Ready? Let's go. 7, 8.
हिम्मत है मेरी तकदीर मुझे कम
hope you enjoyed learning part 1. Please like and subscribe to our channel and write your comments down below.